and welcome back to the channel, man. We are in Round Rock, Texas today, and we're here at Detail Garage. We're gonna be shooting a commercial video for them tomorrow, so I might shoot some behind the scenes stuff for that. But look at Cameron's Porsche, and then we got Seth's Porsche in the back. He actually just let me drive that thing, and it is so freaking smooth. But yeah, let's go ahead, go inside, film a little bit, and have some fun. Got back here to Seth's house. Hey Seth, say what's up to everybody.
What's up?
I'm gonna show you guys the man cave number 2. It's pretty freaking badass. We got a nice sized pool table that actually goes into a kitchen table as well, which is really cool. And then check out all these old school games right here. We're gonna have to get into a few here later. Oh, we're back here at the house now. Next day, actually, I want to give y'all a pull update because we're about to get into some serious business here in a minute. But check out the pool. Man, it's coming together so good. So, the guy's actually done digging completely, so not really sure what the next step. I realized yesterday I didn't film any footage at the car event, which I'm sorry you guys, but at the end of the video I will be throwing in a little bit of the edit, or you can just go head over there, go follow my Instagram, and stay tuned for that video. I should have it done here in a couple days. MT Paradise on YouTube is about to come pick me up in his Porsche, and we're about to get into some fun today, so stay tuned, let's go. Oh, today's turnout is absolutely insane, you guys. So when Mitch picked me up, we went and filmed a little bit of stuff, but now we met up with everybody. Man, we got so many cars. Lambos, R8s, Porsches, BMWs, freaking Toyota Supra. Alright, well, we're about to hit the highway and film some rollers and just make a sick little video for you guys. But go smash that subscribe button too, you know, go like this video. I'll see you guys on the highway. Down 35 all the way to Buc-ee's was like the fastest I've ever gotten here, for one, and 2 was so sick. We're gonna go ahead and do a little walk around of some of the cars. First, I want to start off with this freaking Tesla on bags. Look how sick this is. Like, what the heck? Well, we had a regroup here at Black's Barbecue, and we're honestly about to head home. It's just a few guys. Mitch's Porsche, the V10 R8, the Mercy right there in the background, and a few GTRs. But hey, go check out my Instagram, and also go follow the homies' YouTube channels. The link will be in the description for them as well. But thank you guys so much for watching. We're gonna go ahead and close out, cruise back home, and just kick it. Go smash that subscribe button, go watch one of the two's videos, and I'll see y'all next Friday. Peace.